Okay, so following on from the last video, I've closed and opened this file up to demonstrate something. The barrel low diffuse texture is now completely blank. Everything in the image texture is now completely blank. So if I go to my render view, you can see I've actually lost that baked out texture. Luckily, I did save it. So let's go to this little folder icon, open this up, and we can load up this diffuse texture. And you can see I've not actually lost that because I did remember to save it. Now I want to show you the process for actually rendering out all the other maps. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm actually going to still use the diffuse channel. And what I have to do is I actually have to go through each of these different maps, for example, through the roughness in this case. I'm going to go through my high poly textures and grab the roughness channel and plug the roughness channel into base color in each setting. Now the reason for this is the baking in Blender doesn't have a bake type for roughness, it only has diffuse. So at this point what I can do is close this down, new, call this barrel, low, rough, hit OK. Now I can go to my low poly object, choose an image texture, choose barrel low rough, and plug this into the roughness. This will also be non-color data, so I'll change that over just now. You can actually see the texture immediately gets all shiny because it's completely black. Let's change this to solid. We have to unisolate everything so that it's all in the scene ready to be rendered. We will select the high poly objects, then the low poly object, and again all the settings here are fine, so we can just click bake and this will start baking. Okay, so the roughness map has finished and I'm just going to click on image straight away, save as image, and I'm just going to call this barrel low rough. Just hit save as. So now with this plugged in, let's go to our barrel low object, isolate that, let's look in the render view. So now we have the roughness map on that, we have the diffuse map on that. Now actually between videos I've rendered out all the other baked textures. Let's go to image texture here and I'll just load these up. So I'll go to open and I'll find my scene files. So we have barrel metallic, and we'll plug this into the metallic channel, change this over to non-color data, and I'll also duplicate this across, open up again, close that and open. We have our height channel. So we'll open this up. We also have to create a bump map now for this height channel, so we'll plug the color into the height, make sure this is non-color data and plug this into the normal. And straight away you can see this is a pretty strong map, so we'll take this strength, make it something like maybe 0.2. That's a little bit more subtle there, and this is starting to really come together. Now if we look on the top here, we don't have any separation between these parts here, and that's because the normal map has not been baked out yet. I want to do the normal map separately, and we're going to cover that in the next video.